Next, we will cover how to do a Pachy calibration. Pachy calibration is used to calibrate the Konan specular microscope with the Konan Cellcheck software. In Cellcheck, click on Utilities and then Pachy calibration. To begin, you will need the calibration eye that was provided with your specular microscope. You will also need to check the top of the calibration eye to see what micron value you will be calibrating the software to. As you can see in this image, our calibration eye has a value of 551 microns. Before you begin your calibration, you will need to remove the calibration eye lens cover. Once the lens cover has been removed, you may place the calibration eye on the microscope by hanging it on the forehead rest. You are now ready to begin the calibration process. At the Pachy calibration window, slide the bar to the appropriate thickness, which in this case is 551 microns. Also, make sure the calibration eye is aligned properly in the middle of the capture window. Next, click OK to begin the calibration process. This process should take no more than 30 seconds to 1 minute. If the process takes longer, it is most likely due to the lens cap being left on, and you can click Cancel to restart the calibration process. Once completed, you will see the post-calibration screen, which gives you the option to perform a post-calibration Pachy calculation. This process takes approximately 20 minutes to complete, and if you have the time available, we do recommend performing this calculation. For most cases, the first stage calibration is more than sufficient. Click Close to exit. To verify whether the calibration is correct, we will go into New Patient and take an image of the calibration eye. Once you have entered in the ID and date of birth, click Image to proceed to the capture screen. Make sure the calibration eye is visible in the capture window and press down on one side of the chin rest before clicking Capture. Once you have your image, go into Patient Data and view the recent Pachy image. Your Pachy image should be at the top and will look different than the image you see on my screen. The Pachy value shown should be plus or minus 10 microns from the calibration eye's pachymetry value.